Hello, good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about syndromes in linear block codes. Here, next topic is encoder of n, k Hamming codes. Means encoder for Hamming codes. We use any example of linear binary block code like 7463. These are two block codes we use, and here n is 7 and k is 4 and q is 3, and again example is 6 comma 3 is n is 6 and k is 3 and q is again 3. We use simple check bits by combination of m1 plus m2 plus m3, and c2 is again c m1 m2 and m4 and c3 m1 m3 and m4. This is mode 2 addition. We use simply XOR all operation. First we design the encoder. Simply we design the encoder. This is the block diagram of encoder. Our message register is above and check bit register is below. Simply switch S is enclosed to the message register first. All message bit are transmitted, then switch connected to check bit register and check bits are transmitted. This form a blocks of 7 bit. The input bit are then taken for next block. Two theorem is very important for error detection and correction capability for linear block codes is: first, minimum distance of linear block code is equal to minimum bit of any non-zero word in the code. And second is the linear block code having the minimum distance of d minimum can detect up to d minimum minus 1 and correct up to d minimum minus 1 upon 2 error in each code word. Uh, then code word output come from through switch S, and it connected one by one from message register and check bit register also. Here we will discuss about syndrome decodings. It is a method to correct in linear block coding. We transmit code vector x and corresponding receive vector is y. If x is equal to y means no transmission error. If x is not equal to y, if there are error created during transmission, the decoder detect or correct those error in y by using store bit pattern in the decoder about the code. For larger block length, more and more bits are required to be stored in the decoder. This increases the memory requirements and adds the complexity of the circuit, and cost of also increase. To avoid these problems, we can use syndrome decodings for linear block codes. Here we use parity check matrix H is equal to PT and IQ. I again is identity matrix, and we convert H from transpose is P respect to IQ. Then important property used in syndrome decoding is X multiplied by HT is equal to 0, 0, 0. If this is not 0 means error produced. And definition of syndrome. What is the syndrome? When some error are present in receiver by, then it will not be from valid code vector and it will not satisfy the property of the last equation. This so the yht is non-zero. Some error are present in y, the non-zero output of the product yst is called the syndrome, and it is used to detect the error in y, and syndrome is represented by s, and we use s is equal to yht. Here we use a very simple example. Here x is 10110 and y is 10011. This arrow indicate the error between x and y bits. Here e means represent the error vector. It is equal to 00101. Non-zero entries of e represent the error. So we use the mode 2 addition, and we use y is equal to x plus e, it equal to 10011, and again we detect the x is equal to y addition of e is equal to 10110. Here relation between s and e means relation between centrum vector s and error vector. Here we use equation s is equal to yht is equal to x plus e, means it is y, and multiplied by y transpose of h, and this is equal to eht, e multiplied by transpose of h. Here x st is equal to 0, and error correction using syndrome vector, we simply use a example for n k encoder is 74 and x here is 1001110 and y is 1011110, and arrow indicate the error. It y third digit is 1 but x third digit is 0. Now error correction can be done by adopting some simple following steps. First, calculate the syndrome s is equal to yht, and then multiply the y into ht. Check the row of ht which is the same as h. For pth row of ht, pth bit in error here, and we can determine the e, obtain the correct vector by x is equal to y addition of e, and then we can detect or we can correct the error by syndrome decoding. It is very simple, so we can use